This video is all about how to say I love you both in Tagalog or Filipino and in Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo. In English, you say I love you, and in Tagalog or in Filipino, you say mahal kita, mahal kita. In Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo, you say palangga taka, palangga taka. Mahal kita and palangga taka. In Tagalog, you can also say iniibig kita for I love you. Iniibig kita, iniibig kita. To say I love you very much in Tagalog or in Filipino, you say mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal kita. And you can also say I love you in Tagalog or Filipino by saying iniirog kita. Iniirog kita, iniibig kita, mahal na mahal kita, and iniirog kita. Let us also have the following sentences to express your love for someone. In Tagalog or in Filipino, let's say like the question is, mahal mo ba ako? Or mahal mo ba ako? Mahal mo ba ako? That means, do you love me? Mahal mo ba ako? And then to answer yes, you respond with oo, mahal kita, or hindi, hindi kita mahal. Hindi is no. So no, I don't love you. Hindi, hindi kita mahal. Mahal mo ba ako? Oo, mahal kita, or hindi, hindi kita mahal. In Hiligaynon or in Ilonggo, to say I love you or I really love you, it's palangga kugid ikaw. In Ilonggo or in Hiligaynon, to say I really love you, you'll have to say palangga kugid ikaw. Palangga kugid ikaw. Palangga kugid ikaw. And to like say, ask someone if he or she really loves you, you say, palangga mo bala ako? Palangga mo bala ako? Palangga mo bala ako? And then to like express or to say to someone that you don't love him or her anymore, you say, hindi ko na ikaw palangga. Hindi ko na ikaw palangga. Palangga kugid ikaw. Palangga mo bala ako? Hindi ko na ikaw palangga. Let us also have the following Hiligaynon or Ilonggo sentences to tell your special someone, like maybe her name is Clara, so you want to like tell her that you love her, so you say, palangga taka, then the name of that person. Palangga taka, Clara. And to reply, to answer back, let's say Clara replied to Jed, so Clara would say, palangga ko man ikaw, Jed. That means I love you too, Jed. Palangga ko man ikaw, and then the name of that person. Palangga taka, Clara. Palangga taka Clara, and palangga ko man ikaw, Jed. Another Hiligaynon sentence or Ilonggo sentence is palangga mo bala siya? Palangga mo bala siya? That means, do you love him or her? Palangga mo bala siya? To say yes, you reply with huod or huo. That means yes, huod or huo, huod, palangga ko siya. Yes, I love him or her. Or if you don't love that person, you can say, hindi, hindi ko siya palangga. Hindi, hindi ko siya palangga. Once again, in Tagalog or Filipino, to say I love you, you say mahal kita. And to say I love you very much is mahal na mahal kita. In Hiligaynon or Ilonggo, palangga taka, that means I love you. And to say I love you very much, you just have to add gid, palangga tagid ka. That means I really love you, I love you very much. I love you, mahal kita, and palangga taka. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, paalam at ingat. Thank you very much, goodbye, and take care.